So the missus and I are getting ready to go out here at the Cacklebery. My nose is burned. So, just little visions into our life. I'm like, you know what? I got to grab my pistol. She's like, don't bring your pistol. We're going to be out drinking, having fun. Don't bring your pistol. I'm like, well, how am I supposed to go unarmed? She's like, I have my knife. And what did you say?
I said, if we run into any problems, I go, da, 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 da. And then we run.
Yeah. So let's kick off this evening's festivities. You know that song, country song, Waiting on a Woman. How's it go again?
Just like that.
Whatever. I happened to look over, and I'm reminded of Sturgis last year when something moved and the brake lever went through the wall in the camper. So I think that'll work. We're gonna let's see. This is like a repair video that we're gonna do that. Like let's see how that works. Dude, was it Serve Pro or whatever? What does the commercial say? Like it never even happened. Really? Like what? No, that sucks. That doesn't work.
Didn't work?
Nah, not really. Whatever.
Double up stickers?
No. But it looks better than before, so we're gonna chalk this up as like totally refurbished right there. That's done. First tragedy of the evening. What happened, babe?
You tried to fit a 20-ounce cup of Red Bull and vodka into what apparently is not a 20-ounce Red and Solo cup. And so
yeah, we'll just show. So I'm not inebriated. We haven't even left the rig yet, but I took my fabulous Disney World Campground Wilderness Lodge cup full of libation and just I assumed it was the same size as my solo cup, and a tragedy befell us.
And what's the answer?
These aren't the same size. It's your fault somehow.
Yeah.
Isn't it though?
Of course.
Look how hot you are. God.
Would you stop? Can you
Wow.
move so that I can clean?
Yeah.
Oh, for the love of Christ.
So hot when you clean. That's what I'm talking about. What do you think? Huh? Huh?
I think I'm gonna go.
You want me to turn the camera off?
Yes, please.
All right. We'll be back. Last night was rough but fun. But the next morning we're over at the Cabbage Patch walking around checking vendors out early, and I found the CVO owner's belt section. Yeah, I mean the average CVO owner is just gonna there you go. There's the one. I mean you got your white sunglasses, your white flip flops, your bedazzled jeans, and there's your belt. I mean, you know, don't get all pissy. Yes, I bought a CVO. It's a joke. A day later.
Hi.
Going to Main Street to see Jasmine. It was a hell of a time getting down.
Sweet Jesus. It took us what? 45 minutes?
It was bad.
To go 9 miles?
It was bad. We'll do a like later thoughts thing later, but traffic is the theme of Daytona Bike Week. Just tis.
Yep.
This lot's empty. I mean, everyone's on Main Street. We don't even try to park on Main Street.
No.
We don't even try. Like,
not worth it.
I find this lot every time. It's the one by the Peabody there, and it's where we use for Biketoberfest, and it's where we'll always try and park.
That's it.
$5 a bike, and it's also easy to get out of here.
Mm-hmm.
So when this goes to shit later, we're gonna be able to get on the bikes and roll and not have any problems. So let's find some good times and a drink and some music. We won't be able to film most of that, but we'll see. So, all
right, guys.
See ya.
Hi.
3 seconds of smack talk. If the bike is moving,
Your feet are up.
Feet are up. You don't do the drag the feet thing. No. Let's watch this for a little bit. We'll flip the camera around, and we'll see how many motherfuckers are rolling around with their feet down. Feet should be up. Feet should be up. Feet should be up.
Feet are up.
Their feet are up. Feet should be up. Put your feet up. There's just a lot of lack of skill, I would say. Well, no, I mean, you might ride for many, many years. Look at this thing.
run for Congress, because that's some politician shit right there. Lots of traffic, as we said before, but a good time. I mean, like, it's been a really good time.
25 minutes to go 9 miles is a long
yeah,
way.
yeah. And
But good time, great people. You know, met all
met a lot of great people. We met Traveling Tall.
Yeah.
And didn't video any of it. Like, didn't take a picture. Like, just a moron, you know. The Beard is on his way. Back to the Brews. Alan. Henderson Pilsners.
There you go.
Might have. There you go. This guy's got guts. We'll do this. I can get 100 miles a gallon on this hog. Oh, an American flag shirt on a Honda. There you go. I mean, like, whatever. It is what it is.